Hello, it's math time again for our problem of the day, and today is April 28th, 2020. So let's get started. All right, it's time for our math norms. Number 1, listen to classmates and teachers. 2, we appreciate mistakes because that's learning. We can learn from each other because we all do math at high levels. Math is about creativity and solving problems. Speed is not a math value, and math talk is necessary. All right, here's our problem of the day. I got to move my screen over a bit here. All right, so the problem of the day today, we have 2. So the first one is how many triangles are there in the figure to the right? And find the area of this irregular shape. So you have 2 problems to do, and remember you're going to use problem solving strategies to really dig deep in your brain and pull out your thinking, okay? So I'm going to pause it right now, and I want you to pause it as well so you can think about these problems. Have fun! Hey guys, I'm back, and I hope you took the time to figure out these problems. So first of all, it says how many triangles are there in the figure at the right? Okay, I'm going to get my pen out here. So of course we have the first triangle. So I'm going to make tally marks so I can make sure I'm keeping track. So there's just the triangle shape here. And then we have number 2 right at the top there. Then we have the third one here. So that's 3. Then we have this one right here. So that's 4. Some of you might say, oh, Mrs. Ovitz, I'm done. But did you remember this one here? So that's 5. Okay, now this is not a triangle. That is a trapezoid, so that wouldn't count. So I believe there are 5 triangles here. This outline here, then each of the 3 here, and then this one right there. All right, that's what I came up with. All right, now it says find the area of this irregular shape. Now you could do one of 2 things. You could figure it out, and usually to figure it out I kind of like to draw it, and then you figure out the area here and the area here, and then you add them together. Or what you could do is you do something, I kind of made up the name for this. I know it's not a mathematical term, but I just kind of made it because it stuck in my brain and the kids last year really liked it. We called this a ghost shape, okay? Because then all you need to do is figure out it would be 7 times 5, because that would be the whole rectangle. And then what you need to do is subtract this area. So we can either come up with both ways, okay? So first, let's figure out this shape using the ghost shape, okay? The ghost area. Okay, so all we need to do is 5 times 7, because that would be the area of this entire, remember area is the middle part. So I would have 35 then centimeters squared for this area. Now I need to subtract this, right? So what I need to do then is figure out how much is this spot right here and subtract. Okay, so I know that the length of this side is 7 minus 4. So we know this is going to be 3. And then I also know the length of this side is going to be 5 minus 1. So that's 4. And of course it's centimeters, but it's really hard for me to write with my mouse pad there, but I did it. I managed. Okay, so we know that this area right here, this ghost area, would be 3 times 4, which is 12 centimeters squared, okay? So if we use the ghost area, which, you know, doesn't that sound fun? 3 minus 5, or pardon me, 5 minus 2 is 3. See, it was stuck in my brain, but I said the wrong thing. And then 3 minus 1 is 2. So what we got for this shape is 23 centimeters squared. Excuse me. Okay, and that's by figuring out the ghost shape, okay? So now I'm going to figure out without using the ghost shape so you can see the other way to do it. And I'm going to use blue so you can see this here. So what I need to do first is figure out the area of this rectangle right here. So we know it's 4 times 5, which is 20 centimeters squared, of course. And then I need to add the area of this rectangle right here. And so we know, because we figured this out earlier, that that is 3. So 3 times 1. Excuse me, 3 times 1 is 3. So we add them up. 23 centimeters squared. Again. So that means to tell us that we figured out it correctly because we got the same solution twice by doing it 2 different ways. 23 centimeters squared. All right, I hope you enjoyed today's problem of the day, and I hope you have a terrific day.